Jamaican Olympic track star Usain Bolt files trademark for To the World pose. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaican track superstar Usain Bolt has filed a trademark application for his famous victory pose, U.S. financial website Bloomberg have reported. The Olympic world champion is reportedly seeking to sell sunglasses, jewelry, bags, clothing, and sporting goods bearing the logo. The trademark is being sought will also cover restaurants and sports bar. Bloomberg says that Bolt filed the application with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office on August 17. Bolt first did the signature pose dubbed To the World during the 2008 Olympics in Beijing, China, where he set the world record in the 100 and 200 meter races. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.